everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome again to my channel English with Malak in another video. So in this video we're going to talk about subjunctive pronouns plus be verb plus great job plus not. We're going to talk about negative form. For who asks me why I didn't do a lot of videos, because there is noise. Do you hear it? So this is why I don't do more videos, okay? So no problem, I'm really sorry for this noise, and now let's begin. Okay, after we dive in today's lesson, let's get some examples. I'm not a student. I'm not a student. But first, what is not and what we mean by negative form and affirmative form? Not means in general no. If things like you don't want it or you are not the thing that they said to you, you are not a student or you are not a doctor or you are not an engineer or whatever, so you'll say, I'm not a student, I'm not a doctor, I'm a businesswoman. Just kidding. Okay, so, but affirmative sentence is when the thing is true. Yes. When you say, I'm a student, it means really, I'm a student. I go to school, I learn, I get information, etc. So, yes, true, I'm a student. Or for example, I'm a doctor. Yes, I'm a doctor. I have patients, I have a lot of things to do. Okay, so I think that you know what I want to tell you. Let's complete today's lesson. I'm not a student. I'm not a student. He's not a student. He's not a student. She's not a student. She's not a student. It's not a dog. It's not a dog. Remember, it's used for animals, things, or places. It's not a dog. For just singular things. One dog, one cat, one place, one thing, etc. But for plural nouns, there are, like for example, there is more than one animal, more than one thing, or more than one place, we use they, because they is used for persons or people, and also for animals, things, or places. If you didn't get what I mean, go watch the subjunctive pronoun lesson, okay? So you are not a student. You are not a student. We are not students. We are not students. Here there is plural form, so we have to say students. We are not students. They are not students. We don't use a or an because it's not singular. It's plural, more than one. If you didn't get what I want to say or to tell you right now, go watch this video. And. Okay, now, you know what we're going to do? We're going to talk about more examples, because this lesson is so simple. You have just to get examples. If you see a sentence where there is the word not, it's a negative sentence, okay? And it means no, I'm not a student, means I'm a thing, but not a student. I'm not a student, okay? Or I'm a student means it's true. I'm a student. I go to school. I learn French, Arabic, English, mathematics, physics, science, etc. Okay? So here are more examples. I'm not. I'm not a boy. I'm not a boy. I'm not a man. I'm not a man. He's not. He's not a boy. He's not a boy. He's not a man. He's not a man. She's not. So for the pronunciation, when we have not plus a or an, or especially a, we get one word. Nada. She's not a student. She's not a woman. Okay? Nada. But for the pronunciation of not as a word, not, okay? Not. Like to be more native or fluent in your English, so you will say, I'm not a student. I'm not a student. student. Okay? Let's go on. She's not woman. She's not woman. She's not girl. She's not a girl. It's not. It's not a dog. It's not a dog. It's not chair. It's not chair. Okay? You are not. You are not singer. You are not singer. You are not a friend. You are not a friend. You are my sister. You are not a friend. You are my sister. You are not a friend. We are not brothers. We are not brothers. We are not sisters. We are not sisters. They are not people. They are not people. They are animals. Sorry. They are not people. They are not cars. They are bicycles. They are not cars. They are not cars. They are not cars. So that's it. We're reaching the end of today's video. But after we say bye to each other, here's some information about myself. I'm not a boy. I'm not a Canadian. I'm from Morocco. And I'm not an adult. I'm not an adult. I'm a teenager. I have just 12 years old. I'm not an adult. And at the end, I'm not a loser. I'm not a loser. And so I'm a middle school student, as you already know for the last video. I'm in the first grade of middle school in here Morocco, in Tangier specifically. And that's it. We're reaching the end of this video. Thank you so much for your attention and listening. And bye. See you soon in another video. Take care.